Welcome to SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yola, Department of Applied Science. Online lecture series. Online lecture series on course Engineering Physics. Today online lectures on Unit 5 Magnetism and superconductivity, and second topic superconductivity. Today we will discuss about AC and DC Josephson effect. So what is Josephson effect? When the Josephson effect is one of the notable effects of superconductivity, a macroscopic quantum phenomenon which appears in certain metals at very low temperatures. In the superconducting state, electrons are attracted by each other and form bound pairs called Cooper pairs. The Josephson effects occur when these pairs of electrons tunnel through a thin insulating barrier placed between two superconductors, the whole arrangement being called Josephson junction. A Josephson junction is a type of electronic circuit capable of switching at very high speeds when operated at temperatures approaching absolute zero. The ability of a certain material to conduct electric current with partially zero resistance. Josephson junctions, what are they? Superconductors, insulator, superconductor device placed between two electrodes. Josephson effects. The phase of the wave function of a superconducting electron pair separated by an insulator maintain a fixed phase relation. This means that we can describe the wave function around the loop of a superconductor with only a phase difference due to the presence of the insulating gap. This is the very basic form of quantum coherence. The wave function in one branch is coherent with the wave function of the second branch. Thus, if we manipulate the state, it will be continuous across the boundary with a only phase difference. Superconductivity. So before start Josephson effect, let's see superconductivity. Property of some materials to exhibit zero electrical resistance and the exclusive of interior magnetic field known as Meissner effect. Below critical temperature is known as superconductivity. Then there are two types of superconductor. Type first superconductors, type second superconductors. Type first superconductor have critical temperature range less than 1 Kelvin to 20 Kelvin. Example niobium, tantalum, magnesium diboroid, some highly doped semiconductors. Type second superconductors have high critical temperature Meissner effect, you know very well. There is a complete expulsion of a magnetic field from the interior of the superconductor so long as this cost is less than the consideration energy gained by going from the normal to the superconductivity. Meissner effect. There are two types of Josephson effect, DC Josephson effect and AC Josephson effect. DC Josephson effect. When no voltage is applied across the junction, a direct current flows through the junction up to a critical value due to the tunneling of a copper pairs through the junction. The constant current depends on the geometry and temperature of the superconductors. According to Brian-Josephson, if two superconductors are separated by a sufficiently thin layer of insulator, weak superconducting currents can tunnel through the potential barrier without any applied voltage. That is, the resistance is 0. In a given superconductors, the pairs are represented. Where phi is the phase and is the same for every pair, they are said to be phase coherent. The supercurrent through the barrier is related to the phase difference on the left and right side of the junction. No voltage drop is detected across it as long as current flows up to the critical value. This phenomenon is known as DC-Josephson effect. AC-Josephson effect. When a direct voltage is applied across the junction, a small oscillating current starts flowing back and forth through the junction, which depends solely on the applied voltage. This phenomenon is known as AC-Josephson effect. The phenomenon of AC and DC-Josephson effect manifest because of the quantum nature of each superconductor as whole. Josephson predicted that when a finite voltage V is applied across the junction, there will be a flow of current. Phase difference, there is a de Broglie wavelength. Cooper pairs, electron pairs coupling over range of hundreds of nanometers are called Cooper pairs. These coupled electrons can take character of bosons and condense into a ground state. Fabrications, there are 3 layers: superconductor, insulating layer, and followed by a final sealing and coating. Insulating layers are non-oxide layers, example magnesium fluoride or diamond like carbon, or oxide layer. Fabrications. Applications of Josephson effect. Which are applications of Josephson effect? Magnetic sensors, gradiometers, oscilloscopes, decoders, analog to digital converters, samplers, oscillators, microwave amplifier, sensor for biomedical, scientific and defense purpose, digital circuit development for integrated circuits, microprocessor, random access memory. These are the applications of a Josephson effect. So student, I hope you have understood this AC Josephson effect and DC Josephson effect. Thank you.